I got this on a trip to Kyoto when Tommy was just little. Gotta get a fire going and dry my pants off. It's not a big deal while I'm moving around, but once I stop to eat dinner, it's gonna get real cold. Always gotta make sure to put your flint and steel away. It's so easy to get focused on the fire and then drop it in the snow and lose it. Everything's covered in snow. Everything's covered in ice and snow, so I put the firewood around the fire until it starts to catch. Then I put it out and stack it up next to the fire.